Hello boys, today we will learn about double circulation. Double circulation means a process in which blood passes heart twice to complete one cardiac cycle, and it is the characteristic feature of four-chambered heart. You know boys, basically different organism shows different circulation. Different animal shows different circulation. Like Pisces, they show single circulation. Amphibians and reptiles, they shows incomplete double circulation due to presence of three-chambered heart. And mammalian animals and ewes, they shows complete double circulation due to presence of four-chambered heart. It's a diagram representing double circulation. Boys, double circulation, it involves two different circuits. First, pulmonary circuit, and second, systemic circuit. Pulmonary circuit, it also called pulmonary circulation or lesser circulation. Systemic circuit, it called greater circulation. We see both the circulation one by one. First, pulmonary circulation. What is pulmonary? You know boys, renal means kidney, cardiac means heart, hepatic means liver. So, pulmonary means lungs. It means that pulmonary circulation, pulmonary circuit, it involves lungs. But what happens in pulmonary circulation? In this type, a right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood into left auricle. In pulmonary circulation, right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood into left auricle. Last time I tell you that heart consists four chambers: right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. A right half of our heart, it containing impure blood, deoxygenated blood, and left half of our heart, it containing pure blood or oxygenated blood. It means that right ventricle containing the impure blood, deoxygenated blood. This right ventricle pumps impure blood, deoxygenated blood in pulmonary arch. By pulmonary arch, it transfers to pulmonary artery, and by pulmonary artery, it transfers to lungs, where purification of the blood takes place, oxygenation of the blood takes place. You know boys, in lungs, exchange of the gases takes place. We inhale oxygen and remove outside carbon dioxide from our lungs. Here, that oxygen diffused in our blood and make the blood pure or oxygenated. After that, human being consists right and left lungs. Each lungs consists two different pulmonary veins. It means that our lungs containing four different pulmonary veins, and by that four pulmonary veins, all the pure blood, oxygenated blood from our lungs, it pour in left auricle. Then this left auricle, by their walls, push the blood into respective ventricle. Then we turn to second type circulation, systemic circulation. What happens in systemic circulation? In systemic circulation, left ventricle pumps pure blood, pumps oxygenated blood into right auricle by the body. In systemic circulation, left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood, pure blood into right auricle by the body. But how it happen? Left ventricle, it pumps pure blood, oxygenated blood in systemic arch. By systemic arch, it transfer in artery. By systemic artery, it transfer to capillaries. And by the capillaries, that pure blood, oxygenated blood, it transfer to the cells, tissues, organs and the system. Where number of metabolic activities takes place. At the tissue level or the cell level, exchange of the gases takes place. And all their waste products are released in the blood to make the blood deoxygenated or impure. Such impure blood is then collected by two different veins, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. These superior vena cava and inferior vena cava collect impure blood from upper and lower part of our body. Superior vena cava collect the blood from uppermost part of the body. Inferior vena cava collect the blood from lower side of the body. And then it pour into right auricle. By this way, double circulation complete. But after that, one another circulation is also seen in human being. That is coronary circulation. Our cardiac muscles, they take pure blood, oxygenated blood by the coronary sinus. That cardiac muscles use the oxygenated blood and then deoxygenated blood from our cardiac muscle, it again pour in coronary sinus. It called the coronary circulation. After that, we turn to next point, which are the importances or the significance of this double circulation. You know boys, due to presence of double circulation, continuously impure blood or deoxygenated blood supplied to lungs for the purification or oxygenation. It's the first significance. Then another is that due to presence of double circulation, pure blood continuously, regularly supplied to hold the systems and organs of our body. And the main characteristics is that due to presence of double circulation, pure and impure bloods are not mixed with each other. So these are the characteristics about the double circulation. Now we will stop here. And if you want to see remaining videos of this chapter, then subscribe the channel and press the bell button. Thank you boys.